All right, what's up, y'all? We're over here in Loganville, and we came to do 4 houses in this community. And I'm talking 15 seconds after we pulled up, one of the neighbors came out and basically told us she just had her house washed 3 days ago, and the guy charged her $500, and she asked if I can come and touch up things that he missed. So I'm thinking $500, that's way beyond my price point. Let me see what kind of power washing this guy did for $500. And here it is. This right here is left over after he charged her. Wait, it gets better. Look at this. Took advantage of the older lady. Sad. Here's another column. This is on the inner porch side. See what the chemical hit. Took a little bit, but it's not clean. All right, let's go over here to this. This is the front side of the house. Absolutely sad. Really? $500? Look at this, man. Took advantage of the old lady. So, we have a lot of guys coming into the business thinking that it's easy or that it's sweet, and this is the result that we're getting from guys that are starting the business. 3 days ago, this house is done. Nice old lady, she wanna pay me again to go ahead and correct what didn't get taken care of from jump. This is sad. Just gained a client for life. I guarantee it. This lady will call me every year for whatever she needs. Look at this. Sad. Look at the front door. Filthy. $500. Come on, guys. If you don't know, ask, so somebody can teach you how to properly wash a house. You're hustling. You're looking for beer and cigarette money. There's no way you can run a business leaving results like this. Yeah, I'm going all the way in. This is sad. This is sad. And then people complain about our price points, and it was far less than $500 to clean this house. We just did the one next door. It took 30 minutes. Fair price, quality job. Look at this. It's sad. Sad. Another column. Sad. This is crazy. All this stuff is all over this lady's house, man. Sad. They could have at least done the chairs for the lady. I tell you, we will. Stay tuned. Let's go check out some more around here. Look at this gutter. Hasn't even been touched. There's absolutely no chemical on that gutter. Look at all the soap left over. Look at all the soap left over on the siding. Absolutely ridiculous. Sad. Sad, 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 sad. Oh, this is wild, man. I tell you. High pros, people. High pros. If you don't know, ask. I'll teach you. All right, here's what it should look like when you finish cleaning. Check those columns out. Uh-oh, this way. Clean. 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 Let's go over to this one. Clean. Clean. That's how it should look, people. You want it done right, I'm telling you. Call a professional. Here are those chairs that we threw in, nice and white and clean like they should be. Y'all better stop taking advantage of people. It's gonna come back on you. I promise you. Peace.